Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Jupiter Red. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB text interior, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats and dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center, cup holders. This GLA has 96,012 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.